I would say two causes of postpartum depression, not all inclusive, but two causes are: one is any antibiotic that was given to the mother during the labor or even during the pregnancy could cause any sort of mental illness, because antibiotics cause mental illness. That's one of their side effects. And they kill indiscriminately bacteria that the body needs as like shadow organs within its entire body. These microorganisms outnumber human cells 10 to 1. And the reason we don't look like a bacteria is because these cells are so tiny. But to just destroy bacteria could cause tremendous damage within the body. So taking antibiotics could cause, especially at the birth, during the pregnancy. I've dealt with a woman who felt very anxious postpartum, and I asked her, did you take antibiotics during the pregnancy at the birth? And she took it during the pregnancy. And I told her she should take fermented vegetables. I gave her recommendations for some herbs to feel more calm, but those herbs were just going to be a band-aid until she tries to heal the destruction of these microorganisms. The second cause I would say that's pretty common is if the newborn is not immediately placed near the mother right after the birth and in the time following the birth, that could trigger feelings of loss within the mother, where the body feels like it was a pregnancy loss, that the baby is not near the mother. The baby was part of the mother for 9 months, and for the emotional health of the mother and the emotional development of the little human that was born, they both have to be near each other, and nothing needs to be done to the baby after birth. Somebody could just take a little wet rag and clean the baby's hair while the baby is attached and close to the mother, but nothing else needs to be wiped down. The white vernix coating that the baby is born with is a protective layer that ends up seeping into the skin after a couple of hours. That should not be washed off, definitely not with like hospital chemical grade soaps. Nothing should be put into newborn's eyes. None of this antibiotics that's linked to, so many people needing eyeglasses. They cause eye damage. Totally not necessary. The baby was meant to go through the birth canal. Doesn't need antibiotics to go into the eyes from being born naturally. Definitely no vitamin K injection. Definitely no hepatitis B vaccine, which is 170 times the amount of aluminum a person that size could handle. That sinks most kids into mental health issues and physical issues. And they should just stay close by together.